Welcome back, children. We were doing adjectives. Now, all of you open page number 23, order of adjectives. Children, when there are more than one adjective in a sentence, listen it very carefully. When there are more than one adjectives in a sentence, we used to give order, and the order is qualitative, color and classifying. What is the order? Qualitative, like quality, color and classifying. Okay, so let's read so that you can identify. Let's read from your book. Order of adjectives. When we use noun, then one adjective in a noun group. When we use more than one adjective in a noun group, the usual order for the adjective is qualitative adjectives, color adjectives and classifying adjectives. Children, qualitative is quantity. Color is, classifying means when there is a class. Then comes the noun. Quality, color, class and noun. Let's read example. A small, quality. Beautiful, quality. Curious, ripe. Color you all know, red, blue, green, black, yellow. Class, plastic, cotton, South, Indian. Noun you all know. Before noun, it is adjective. Okay, let's start the new topic. Degree of comparison. Children, degrees of comparisons refers to adjectives written in different form to complete one, two or more nouns with each other. Children, there are 3 degrees of comparison: positive degree, comparative degree and superlative degree. When there is no comparison, it is a positive degree. When comparison is made with one, it is comparative, and when we compare two similar things, we used to compare and it is followed by then, it is a comparative degree. And when comparing two or more similar things, the definite article the is used, it is a superlative degree. So let's read from your book. There are 3 degrees of comparison: positive degree, comparative degree and superlative degree. Tall, taller, tallest. Beautiful, more beautiful, most beautiful. The comparative degree, an adjective, is a comparative degree in generally followed by then. Ram is taller than Sham. She is more beautiful than her sister. In some constructions, the comparative degree is followed by or. She is the taller of the two. He is stronger of the two. Some adjectives are followed by to. Krishna is senior to Nitin. Nitin is junior to Krishna. Tea is preferable to coffee. This is comparative degree. Now comes superlative degree. The superlative degree is used to compare more than 2 people or thing. The word the is used. He is the best boy in the class. This is the oldest building in the city. When we use one of the noun followed by the adjective has a plural number. Shakespeare is one of the most famous dramatists in the world. This is one of the best movies I have seen. When the is used, we used to say superlative degree. Now the formation of the degrees of comparison. Children, most adjectives of one syllable and some of more than one syllable form a comparative degree. By adding ER, and superlative degree by adding EST to a positive degree. Now children, you will say, what is syllable? Syllable is a word which contains one vowel sound. Which is a word which contains one vowel sound. So look here. Let's read the example. Brave, brave, braver, bravest. Clever, cleverer, cleverest. Small, smaller, smallest. Great, greater, greatest. One vowel sound. Positive degree, comparative degree, superlative degree. There is one or more than one syllable. A and E. When we have one vowel or two vowels. Second, when the word in the positive degree end with E, only T and ST are added. Two comparative and superlative degrees. Brave, braver, bravest. Large, larger, largest. Sure, surer, surest. Wise, wiser, wisest. Third, when the word in the positive degree ends with Y, with the consonant before it, the Y is changed into I, followed by ER, EST. Easy, easier, easiest. Happy, happier, happiest. Holy, holier, holiest. Heavy, heavier, heaviest. A word of one syllable ending with a single consonant and with a short vowel before it takes ER, EST, the consonant is doubled in such case. When consonant ending with a single consonant and shorter vowel, then we used to double the consonant and add ER and EST, like fat, fatter, fattest, thin, thinner, thinnest, red, redder, reddest, hot, hotter, hottest. Clear, children? Next rule is adjective of two or more syllable form their comparative by taking more and the superlative by taking most. Beautiful, then when there are so many vowels in this, what we used to take? More in comparative and superlative most. Beautiful, more beautiful, most beautiful. Difficult, more difficult, most difficult. Famous, more famous, most famous. Useful, more useful, most useful. Clear, children? The next rule says some words form their degrees in an irregular way. Positive degree good, comparative degree better, superlative degree best. Bad, worst, worst. Much, more, most. Many. More, most. Little, less, lesser, least. These are irregular. Degrees in irregular way. Children, adjectives always confuse. Adjectives is always confuse. Later, latter, latest, last. Later refers to time. Later is the opposite of former. And refer to order. It means the second of the two things mentioned. Latest means up to the present. Last means the final one. Then we are often confused with farther and further. Farther means more distance. Further means additional. Then comes elder, eldest, older, oldest. Older and oldest are used for both people and things. But elder and eldest are used for comparing ages of people, especially members of the family. Last, nearest, next. Nearest is used for the distance, while next is used for position. Nearer is used for distance, next is used for position. Clear, children? These adjectives which always confused us. What are they? Later, latter, latest, last. Farther and further. Elder and eldest. Older and oldest. Last is nearer and nearest. Next. Clear, children? Now, what is your homework? Homework is to read the chapter from your book and try to do back exercise so that we can discuss in the query time. Okay? For my personal reason, I am sharing the video. So, I will give you the query time. No live class will be held. So, I will give you the query time. So, better complete the exercises so that I can discuss you in the query time. Okay, children? Clear? Thank you, children. Have a nice day.